Hello students, I am Manisha Sinha. Welcome you to the next series of the video made for class 5. Students, today we will continue with chapter 3 working with tables part 6. Earlier we have seen Word 2016 offers a flexible feature of presenting information in the tabular form. A table consists number of columns and rows. It is very useful in organizing and representing the text information of numeric data in an effective manner. Let us discuss today formatting a table. Formatting controls the overall appearance of a table. After creating a table, you can format the entire table by using the table style feature. Table style is an inbuilt facility to change the appearance, color and border of a table. When you insert a table, you will get the design and layout tabs on the ribbon under the table tools. Here you can see under the table tool, when we click on the design tab under the table style, these kind of different inbuilt table style we get. Click on the table that you want to format under the table tool. Click on the design tab, select the desired style from the table style group. Let us discuss with an example. First of all, open MS Word. Earlier we have created this table. So select the table first. Click on the design tab under the table tool. Here different table style will appear over here when we click on the drop down arrow. Whichever the style you want to, click on that style. The table will adopt that style like this. Even we want to change it, we can change it like this. Let us select this style, either this or this or this or this. Just click on that. That style will be appear on our table, as you can see over here. Changing column width. You can resize the column width either by using option available on the layout tab or by using the mouse pointer. In the previous videos, we have seen how to change the column width by the mouse pointer. Today we will see with an example how we can resize the column width through the layout tab. First, we have to select the column whose width you want to change. Click on the layout tab. Select the properties button as shown over here in the table group. The table properties dialog box will appear like this. This kind of dialog box will appear. Click on the column tab. Select the preferred width checkbox. Now increase or decrease the column width either by using the spin arrow. There is a spin arrow. You can increase the column width or decrease the column width, or type in the specific values to set the width and click OK. Similarly, you can change the row height by selecting the row tab in the table property dialog box. Even you can see the row tab is over there beside the column tab. When you click on the row tab, you can change the row height from there. Let us see it with an example. This is the table which we have created and changed the design. Let us change the column width of this column. First we have to select the column, click on the layout tab and click on the properties button. When we click on the properties button, table properties dialog box will appear on our screen. Select the column tab and change the preferred width by a spin up or down arrow. If we want to change the column width of this, same process, click on the layout tab, click on the properties, click on the column tab and preferred width. You can change over there or you can specify. You can use the spin arrow to increase or decrease the column width. In the same way, we can change the height of the row. Specify the height over here. Either by a spin arrow you can change the height. If we want to change the height of the second row, we can like this. Click on the layout, go to the properties, click on the row tab and set its height. This is how we can change the height of the row and the width of the column.